Hey guys, welcome back to TRADEway's Keys for Transformation. We're going to give you a simple but powerful key that you can apply to your life to get you moving forward, get you into the place that you want to be, transforming your life one move at a time. Here's today's move. Burn the ships. Burn the ships. This is a powerful phrase. It's a popular phrase. It comes from Cortez, who landed on the shores of Mexico in the early 1500s, and he actually lit all but one of his ships on fire so that his men had no place to go. He said that we can only move forward. There's no turning back. And sometimes in our lives, we get to a place where we need to make a decision to go forward, and that means we can have no turning back. We need to let go. Maybe it's a relationship. Maybe it's a connection. Maybe it's something that we've done, a way that we think. We need to let it go. We need to cut it off because forward is the only way to go. And sometimes when you have choices still, there's a division of energy. And when we want to make certain breakthroughs, we've got to concentrate all of our energy on that thing. We've got to commit our whole heart. There have been times in my own life where the Lord has called me to do something, and I want to give Him my whole heart, soul, mind, and strength. But I cannot have multitudes of options. He's the only option. So I've burned the ships. I cut off the thing that I no longer want to transfer energy to, and I focus everything on what He is calling me to do, and it has created incredible power, incredible momentum. So, burning the ships, a radical strategy for radical momentum.